Order filled.
All right. Yo, thank you. Sorry, my stuff just stopped working. I had to restart my computer. My camera and everything just like broke all of a sudden. So I'm getting everything reopened up.
Order filled.
Potential inverse head and shoulders here, so gotta be careful, but taking this short, getting stopped out on the cash, I think. Still in it on the prop firm account.
Order filled.
Quite some demand there. Yeah, let's see if we continue our. But thanks, guys. Bomba Cat. See if this is a potential bear flag. Just parked up, gonna trade now, even though you're late. Alright, don't force anything. I'm short right here. Trying to target the VWAP test again. I don't know if we get it. I think might take profit at 650. Because that could be the bounce zone. It bounced before that already. Lower highs. Yeah, let's see what happens here. I think we want to make a next leg down. Still overall uptrend. The 5-minute hasn't flipped to bearish even once today. We have got flips on the smaller time frames though. You made 140% in Qs, but you only put in $90. Profit's profit. Yeah, today's been like a super boring trading day. Peeking out. Super boring trading day today. Just a lot of chop. We're still in it. Boring is good. I mean, I guess it's good. I would rather it be boring but go in one direction. We like boring green days? I guess so, yeah. Come on, make that next leg. I'll close that on my cash. You have a short from 706?
Shortly expecting the Fed reverse
Dang,
repo
nice.
operation.
Whoa, that's loud. Well, that's a nice drop. Cover one.
Order filled.
Didn't make a next leg yet. A little bit more selling volume there. That's good, I think. I think we continue lower. But yeah, manga. Very nice short. That's actually nuts. You basically top ticked that. That was trading ICT. Nice. Mr. Ponzi. Turtle soup. What happened? No, I didn't finish. I had some technical difficulties. My stuff just all decided to turn off on me. So I couldn't even use my mic or anything or turn on my camera. Everything just stopped working.
21 counterparties take 80 spot $303 billion at Fed reverse repo operation.
Shorted from 673 to 630, missed the long. Then shorted again from 694 to 65, nice. Up 1,500 in the funded. Good stuff, dude. Not bad. You can only win trades when it is one MNQ, not 3. Yeah, it happens. There it goes. So this time, I could, so 650s, maybe a smart exit would be 650s because of potential bounce since we had that support before. Also, if it breaks that, you know, maybe a smart exit would be VWAP or right before it. But I think I kind of want to diamond hand this into breaking VWAP. I want to diamond hand this into a potential double top. Break, fail, come back down. Top step had a massive outage. I don't trade with them, but we had a couple people say that that they weren't able to trade. You're gonna hold it, see if it goes to midnight open. Yeah, where's midnight open? Where is that? Is that like back here somewhere? Like 23,550? Yeah, I think I want to hold it. Like until then, I think I'm gonna add here.
Order filled.
Breaking 640 will confirm the short. Yeah. Yeah, if it breaks those levels there. Just hit 50% EQ. So if it was a bigger trade, you would take profit. Gotcha. Free 15 minutes for levels and 1 minute for executions. I'm not long right now, I'm shorting. I just said I'm gonna add one, so I added one more contract to the short.
Order filled.
Wow. What's that testing?
Zelensky says national security advisors from Ukraine and allied states are to hold talks on Friday again. Furthermore, Zelensky says there's an understanding we could reach at least a ceasefire.
Order filled.
I'm adding one there, but this is a news candle. Ceasefire news. 684. Fully expecting it to make you break even. Yeah, this is a little unfortunate. Yeah, S&P just wants to go higher.
Stop filled.
Yeah. So unfortunate. It was all weakening, guys. It was all weakening. It was looking like it's gonna break. Looking like it's continuing, and then you get the news. Oh, they're gonna get a ceasefire. And then everybody's like, all right, buy the market. Yeah, pretty crazy. What a trap. Yeah. That's news right there. Sentiment changes so quickly. All right, we give away some profits. Yeah, it is very news driven. So I guess technically if it breaks 690, then I would have to go for a long to go up to like 720, 730. Now the rest of the story. Well, I guess that was the news candle right there. Back to the original plan.
Order filled.
Wow. Yeah, it's like the news candle came in and then it just says we're going back to our original thought process. We're taking this lower. Guess it wasn't worth changing the trajectory. Yeah. I unfortunately got stopped out because I was trying to have disciplined stops, but I worked out for getting a bunch of shorts out of their position. Shakes you out a lot. Yeah. Okay, the 5-minute is getting its first bearish divergence.
Order filled.
Your X drove you crazy. What is that, the NASDAQ? The NASDAQ's your X? Is it logical now to go short at 664? If you think that it continues lower, I think it at least hits 645-ish. I want to play on this overall weakness. We got bearish divergence finally on the 5. So if it keeps sitting here, we're gonna get that bearish divergence. Taking a break for 1 hour, coming back with a clear mind makes a huge difference. Yeah, it's probably smart to do sometimes. You and ES are a thing now. Yeah, speaking of ES, no bearish divergence yet on the 5. But on the 3, 2, and 1, it does. You want your 27 risk to reward? Let's get it. Yours is even going to be more than 27 risk to reward. Yours is going to be like unlimited because you top tick that. Okay, buying up again.
Order filled.
My golly. That's a big boom boom candle. I just almost got top ticked. That was crazy. Don't go red, yeah. I'm kind of tempted to just close it out for the day because I'm getting chopped around now. Look at this chop. Gets wilder with shorts. Yeah, this is some crazy chop, actually. Chop started right as we started looking a little weak. They're just like chasing stop losses. Yep. Looks like it just wants to break through.
Stop filled.
Yo, guys. Imagine this. Imagine you get an 8-month-old at urgent care that gets its denied service because of their vaccine status. Just imagine that. You have a baby brought in for urgent care to get like some antibiotics prescribed, and they get denied because they don't have their vaccines. That's freaking nuts. I'm like, my wife just told me I'm actually shocked. All right. That kind of pissed me off. Okay, getting caught up here. Speedsoft, thanks to everyone who prayed for me about the new job, but unfortunately got the news that you might leave yourself. They told you that soon they'll add inside cameras. What the heck? Putting inside cameras. That's some like crazy micromanagement if I've ever heard of it. Oh. Yeah, anyways, I was like, I'm pretty sure that's illegal to deny service in to deny healthcare service in those kinds of circumstances. I was like, whatever. Just leave a bad review on the place. Be like, these guys are idiots. That's Washington State, Jake. You have to move to Missouri. We're still in America here. Приезжай в гости. Yeah, I mean, like, I'm actually surprised. I'm like shocked that they would say that. I'm like actually shocked because they're like, if you do that, you're like on a very thin line of getting sued. Like, I'm not gonna go and try to sue anybody, but like, there are people that could sue the crap out of you for that. It is so crazy. It decided to stop you out, you think? But they won't deny an illegal immigrant. Yeah, I don't know. It's so weird. I wish I was there, but I stayed on the stream. My wife took the baby over there. Come to free Florida. I wish. But yeah, I wish I was there in person, because like, there's just no way, like, I can't even believe hearing it. You know? I actually can't believe it, because if I were there, I would be like, are you like asking vaccine status of everybody? Before, like, if I were to come in here with a broken arm, you would ask me for my vaccine status, and if I said no, I don't have any vaccines, you're just gonna tell me to leave? Are you serious? Like, my wife said they apparently have like some demographic for like the maximum amount of unvaxxed they're getting, but I think it really has to do with money. I think there's like a quota you have to hit with the pharmaceuticals for how many clients you get vaccinated. I think that's the real story. So it's the real story is the pharmaceuticals that they're partnered up with, they probably have a quota, and they probably get bonuses based on their percentage of vaxxed and unvaxxed. And yeah, they're probably just like, oh yeah, we gotta stay 90% and above so that we can get this bonus from Pfizer or whatever. For making sure we're keeping everybody vaccinated. I think that's what it is. I don't think it's anything like legitimate. It's probably all money. But that's like something you could definitely sue for. It's so nuts. Like what? Imagine I have like a store. I'm like selling gifts or whatever. Who cares? We'll go off the medical provider type deal. Urgent care. I have a store and I have 10 Christians in there, 2 Muslims, and then 5 atheists. We have a Muslim coming through the door. They're like, oh, sorry, can't serve you. I've hit my demographic. 15% Muslims allowed. Like, yeah, you just opened yourself up to a lawsuit. Get away from your stop in queue. Hey, right as you said that, nice rejection. Healthcare is a big mafia. Yeah, it's crazy. It's so crazy. Yeah, stop having us have to go to doctors for them to just be like, oh, I'll prescribe this for you. It's like you already know what you need prescribed. You just need the doctor's chicken scratch so you can actually go pick it up. You've heard of urgent care treating COVID cough, but not the fever? Yeah. The Netflix movie Painkiller showed how the doctors get kickback from Big Pharma. Ah, interesting. Yeah, because there's no way that it's connected to anything else. It's gotta be money. It's gotta be money. The person that was telling my wife that probably doesn't even know like why it's like that. They just said, oh, we hit our demographic this month or whatever. We can't get any more unvaccinated patients. So crazy. Donna, you're from STL? So Mr. Ponzi, like while I was on the phone, I looked it up, and yeah, it goes against the ethics of a physician, and it goes closely against the whatever Discrimination Act. It's like I'm honestly surprised they said that and did that, because it's like you have a potential lawsuit on like 2 different things, 2 different topics. Because there's the Emergency Service Act or whatever it's called, but I don't know, they might not be in that category because that's more of like emergency rooms. Maybe urgent care doesn't fall into that. But yeah, it's weird. Donna Da. What is STL? Is that St. Louis? Oh, okay. You typed it right as I said it. Any fever over 101 should be treated. You can't even control your mouse because these forklift drivers are rough. Long from 672, you think NQ will go for a new high? Let's see it. Good long. Yeah, no, IDRs fall into PCP. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. But I think it definitely falls into discriminatory, the whatever Discrimination Act. Definitely falls into it. But it's all about money. That's what happens when your idol is money. When your god is money. It's all you chase. You don't care about anything else. More expensive than PCP. Alright guys, what are we thinking here? Because this is just boring. I gave away some profits already. It's just boring. Unlucky. Made a low, higher low again. Just trying to break through this 23,700 level. Feel like it should sell off. 700 is tricky. So I think the third try is a charm. I think it breaks through on the third try. You have a sell order waiting at 64.1650. 1650. Okay. Call it a day. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Because this has been a trend up, but it's been like, you know, obviously with some chop up and no real higher highs. So psychologically for me, days like this aren't the best. That's why days like this, I get most of my profit on that first move, and then after that, I'm giving it away. Because I'm looking for like big trends and they're not coming. Maverick top isn't an M anymore. You want it to go higher, but where are the buyers? I mean, I think they step in once the 700 breaks. They start stepping in. And you start triggering a bunch of stop losses on the shorts. Keep an eye on 582 area for long if NQ pulls back. Okay. It's got no real direction, yeah. I mean, the direction's up. Oh, I just realized we got a breakout signal. Whoops. Well, I guess with that breakout signal, let's do it. Let's do it. Breakout signal, 50 points.
Order filled.
Maybe I did mention it. 736. Okay. 20 points at risk. 40 points of reward. Okay. The fact that it's consolidating is more bullish, yeah. Can't even draw on the chart. Truck moving too much. Weaker relative strength. She's running low on fuel. Is it going to do the opposite of what we think? Possibly. You plan to reverse if she should stop me out. You're 1 MNQ. Waiting for a candle to close on the 30-minute. Она не ответила, Паша, вы откуда? С Вашингтона. Just ain't right. Just use your code for TPT eval. Nice. Yeah, that sale's ending Sunday. So yeah, good stuff, taking advantage of it. I don't know if I should buy more accounts. I'm like so tempted. I already have 5 evals. Like, do I do 5 more? And then just have fundeds just in case I blow up some. It's like once you get accounts to funded with TPT, like I think you're able to just have them. They can just sit in there for like ever. And no fees, no nothing. It's kind of I don't know. I'll have to see if I do more. All these inside bars means it's going soon. Jake, you got some 250Ks. You got extras just in case. Nice. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. If you're getting them to funded like pretty quick, it might be worth it to just stack up on fundeds and like you just have to trade once per week to keep them active. I don't know. It should move in the last 3 minutes before 2 p.m. Okay, are we shorting or longing? I'm longing now. And then manga didn't get stopped out, but manga just exited because it's starting to look a little bullish. Looking like it wants to break up. Недавно к вам подключилась. Awesome, well thanks, welcome. You're just reversed, okay. I think I want to add one
Order
there.
filled.
Okay, once this comes through, I think we get some short covering. The news is bullish. Still long from 672, but I know NQ will not make it that easy for you. I don't know if we start short covering. If shorts start covering, this might be good. What city, Donna? Sorry, I don't say it. I'm trying to not put out all my personal information onto the internet. That's how my guy got his wife. That's smooth talk. What are you talking about? Sometimes I think financial juice will point where it will go. You don't like it? Feels like a trap? Let's see. Slow little grind. Yeah, my name's Pasha. And yeah, Zertram, I was speaking Russian, yep. That's what you're talking about, the smooth talk? Targeting 795. Ooh. Dang, targeting 795. Okay. I mean, we've got like such low volume right now. But yeah, I could see that. $7.95, yeah. I mean, that's probably valid. It's just such low volume. Buyers not coming in.
Says wage growth now outpacing the growth in CPI.
Let's see here. Originally Turk? No. I was born in Russia. NQ Rocket, let's go. Bilingual, such talent. Yeah, I guess it's given if you have immigrant parents. Done trading, they finished loading you? Wait, so you're not gonna hold? Don't tell me you exited
According
before
to an
that
official, the
jump.
White House is to clarify misinformation on gold tariffs. Furthermore, the official says gold order to be posted in near future.
Whoa. Whoa, look at gold. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Look at that drop. Whoa, and that's pumping
After that
the
news, we have seen some
NASDAQ.
weakness in gold
All
prices.
right. That's some volume there. That's some volume there. Very nice. I mean, what do we even target here?
US stocks extend gains, NASDAQ up 1%.
Gold goes down, then NQ goes up, right? Well, not always, but this time, yeah. Wow. That was quite a dump on gold. S&P's going. NASDAQ's going. It's going to squeeze. I don't know, maybe that was the squeeze. Like that jump was the short covering. All-time high. Still got quite a ways. I don't know. I don't think we hit it today, but I mean, if momentum keeps up, possibly. It's possible. Cover your profits. Yeah.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna exit that. Honestly. I don't want this to be a fake out. It's probably not a fake out, probably gonna continue, but I will take it. I do not like chasing highs. I don't like it. Let's see. Have you been trading for a while? No, not really. I've been in the markets for 10 years. Options for like 5, 6. And then futures fairly recent. Still short at the top, Speedsoft. Oh. Don't leave you alone in this long. Hey, you might be good. You might be good, because, I mean, momentum's kind of getting in there. It's just, I don't know how far it goes. You know what I mean? Honestly, on the break of 700, after 725 breaking, I think you're, like, clear to almost 800. Yeah, very nice breakout. That basically hit my profit target there. TP3 is 741. Let's see here. Done trying to short. Stopped out, done for the day. 732 TP1 for you. Think you might be able to get it. Still here? You were doing Uber and heard you say you were calling it a day. Oh, I was saying that, and then all my stuff cut out. All my stuff just like broke, so I had to restart my computer. Like I couldn't, like my microphone wasn't working or anything. Note to self: take profit at EQ. It could dump here, but I'm still long. Let's see. I don't know. I think it looks strong. It's like a super trend. Once 725 breaks, I think it's like blue skies. I don't think there's much resistance. And I would ride it up to like 23,800. Already got out. But like honestly, after 725, I don't think there's much resistance. We're going to Mars. Plant that flag, Elon. How much more do you have on these evals? A bunch. Like 7K. There's some big drawdown the other week. Okay, so now it's testing that 725 after this. If it gets the momentum, I think it goes to like close to 800. But I think I'm not gonna take in more trades today. Cali? Donna, I'm in Washington State. But yeah, who's green here? Who's red? Post it up. Today was honestly a little bit of a difficult day. You do much better with bigger accounts. That drawdown room is incredible. Yeah. Well, Apple is just running. Apple's still running. That is nuts. Apple, Meta, Nvidia's running. Like everything's running. You're trying options? Oh, be careful with options, Donna. Options are scary. I've lost a lot of money on options. Yeah, I think honestly, if I'm taking any trades, I need to just do scalps for the rest of the day. But I'll size up on the scalps. Okay, we're gonna do 25. 5 micros per account. Me too, 30K. Oh, your only saving grace with options has been when you buy lots of time with them. Yeah. As soon as I said that, Apple started dropping. Oh, really? Baby's sad.
Order filled.
Okay, taking along here. $709.
Stop filled.
Okay. So I guess that was a bear flag there. Continuing lower. Okay. So I guess I never got through 725. I was thinking it would break through there, but I guess resistance for now. Looks like it wants to change trend. Potentially. To short a pop then. Rejected again, so no more longs for you. Okay. Let's see if 700 gets a bounce.
Order filled.
Okay, we're not above here.
Order filled.
See, I don't like all this chop around here. You know what I mean? It's like just pick a direction.
Stop filled.
Just chopping both directions. So annoying. It's really so annoying.
Order filled.
You took a spy put at the top. Nice. I'm honestly getting a little bit ticked off, guys. I'm getting ticked off by this chop. Like, such wide chops. Like, there's an overall direction, but there's just such a wide chop. It's just like they're just pushing to stop as many people out back and forth. Past two 50K challenges today, how should you approach it? Play very conservatively. There's no reason for you to rush the payouts. Because
Order filled.
you can have... did you do the 50Ks on take profit? If you did, there's no more fees, no monthly payments, no nothing. So just take it super conservative. You know, however long it takes to get the first payout, just, you know, go nice and slow. Apex? Okay. I mean, for those ones, you kind of are forced to stay consistent. Consistent profits. So I'll just take, yeah, just be conservative on them. Your internet has just started acting weird. Server's busy when trying to place an order on TradeStation. Huh.
Order filled.
Okay, 11:19 right now. Trump's gonna meet with the Armenian PM in about 11 minutes. I don't know if we get any news off that. How's the trading? It's been pretty good. I give away some profits, unfortunately. Micros and minis, I would definitely go with micros on 50K accounts. I do micros on 150K accounts. I mean, you could do minis. You know, it all depends. I like to take like bigger trades. But you know, do whatever you feel comfortable with, but try to be more conservative than not. Man, I don't know if we even do a next leg lower here. Who knows? Just like fake out everybody.
Order filled.
Okay, S&P looks like it wants to go. Maybe. Needs to break that level. S&P needs to break that level. That probably breaks 700 on the NASDAQ. But overall, if you look at like the 5-minute, it's kind of a bull flag. If you look on the shorter time frames, you know, it's a bear flag. So it's hard to say which direction we go. Is Oanda good? I have no idea what that even is. Never heard of it. But I use Webull for my cash. You were up 132. Down to 80 today. Not bad, yeah. Yeah, if you're still green, nice. All the chop is killing so many people. I know. It is so terrible.
Just to let you know that the Trump meeting with the Armenian Prime Minister and Azerbaijan President is on the feed for you guys if interested.
Okay, so Trump's meeting right now.
According to CBO estimate, the US
Yeah.
July budget deficit at $289 billion.
Order filled.
Heard a good quote today. Everyone wants to make passive income, but you need active income first. Yeah. Today isn't the day to make a lot of money. Volatility will be back soon. This market will pick a big move sometime in the near future. Yeah, I think so too. What about Exness? Yeah, I haven't heard of any of those. I'm only familiar with brokerages in the US. Looks like it's gonna pop, but also feel like it wants to drop. Yeah, it's like hard to tell. It's as if it's just waiting to drop. Look at that gold recovery though. Okay, there she goes. Come on, break that 700. Just getting absorbed, man. I hear the selling is just getting absorbed.
Order filled. Order filled.
Need to watch the move, keep it, analyze it. Investing passive income. No one's to mess up everybody, yeah. Yeah, I don't like today. See, the best thing today for me, I took the orb, I took my profits. Once it started pulling back here and I like started seeing that there's just chop around. Ideally, that's like for me, you know, if I didn't have the stream or anything, I'll just leave for the day. Because the orb hit perfectly today, you know? There we go. Do we diamond hand this short or no? You want to go full short, full port, but can't break your discipline? I don't know, man. It's risky. We also got something like this coming on over here. Something like this. Yep. Yep. Something like that we got there. Is he good? Making a show.
Order filled.
Hit EQ unbalanced. Yeah, 15-point balance. Got this little trend line here too. Want to see that break.
Order filled.
Baby said go short. Even if it breaks, it will test the underside, then go short. Yeah, it's probably more disciplined trade. Fridays are so risky. Weekly's expiring, yeah. May test it into close. Okay, if this doesn't pull back here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, just fill 706. Don't you break out. It could actually pull down here, guys. Could also break up. This is kind of the spot where it either continue. Yep, there it goes. Didn't fill me. Okay.
NYMEX diesel September futures settle at around $2.27 a gallon.
Headed to
NYMEX
work.
gasoline
All right,
September
happy
futures
Friday.
settle at around $2.08 a gallon.
Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna end it here.
NYMEX WTI crude September futures
I don't
settle
want to
at
trade this.
settle at $63.88 a barrel, up 0 cents or 0.00%.
Let's see if we get another rejection possibly here. I just want to get out of this position.
NYMEX natural gas September futures settle at around
Technically could pull this
$2.99.
down quite a bit if it does reject. I don't want to trade this. You're in at 712. Yeah. Could go up now to break through 725. Okay. I think this is my chance right here. 3, 2, 3, 2. Go, go, go. So I don't lose money. 3, 2. Almost there. It doesn't do it. Go, 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 go. I just want to get out of this position. I don't want to be in this chop anymore. Give you 100 points. All right. Just give me this. Just give me this. Every second that I don't close out, there's the possibility of it rocketing. All right, I'm just
Order
closing it.
filled.
Whatever. We're green today. That's fine. Yes, we're in the green. Fortunately, got chopped around quite a bit. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna run my outro. We're gonna end it for the day because yeah, this is super nice, just obvious trend up. But I unfortunately got chopped out a bit. So made a quick 50 and you're green as well. Out too, nice. What's your trading strategy? I have a video, the most recent one I posted. I talk about it. It's just 2 indicators basically. Ending on a green out. Lynette, I'm so disappointed in myself today. So disappointed. But we're ending on a green note, which doesn't ruin the weekend. Some people kind of stay away from Fridays too. Should you trade copy or no? It depends on your comfort level. Some people hate copy trading. Some people love it. For me, I don't love the copy trading. But I'm okay with it for evals. I don't really like it really for funded accounts. I think it'd be better for like risk management to take turns on accounts. But yeah. Anyways, let's go outro. It was a short day, but you know what? Sometimes it's good to take a half day on Fridays. Get some fresh air, you know? Take a walk. Play some golf. I appreciate you guys for joining me today. It's been fun. It's been really fun, also a little bit stressful. But you know what? It's green. We got a little pocket change up in there. If you guys are looking for a prop firm, Take Profit Trader is ending this Sunday. That's the last shout out I'm doing. And I'm not really doing it for myself. I'm honestly doing it because it's the best sale I've seen. So if you're trying to get one, get it. But with that, for those that are green or break even, good job. I mean, even though it's a nice trend up, still good job. But if you're red, maybe you should avoid Fridays. Or avoid the chop ups. Or if you're like me, take the orb and get out. So, yeah. We're going to have a good weekend. Don't forget the most important thing, thinking about your eternal life, not just your life here on Earth. Figuring out what the heck there is to do. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys for joining. God bless you all. I hope you guys visit your local church this weekend. Go get some spiritual food. And I hope to see you guys Monday morning, a little bit late because I'll be at Bible study. So yeah, appreciate y'all. And I'll see you then. Okay? You guys take it easy and take care. And I'll see you in the next one. Love y'all.